I sure would like to give you a private property tour of 152 Sherwood, right here in the heart of Vilano Beach. This home, arguably the single greatest opportunity. 5 full bedrooms plus 2 offices, so really you could utilize this as a 7-bedroom house, 3.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, like new construction, spray foam installations, you got the pool, you got the pavers, you got the turf, easy landscape, the beach is right across the street. Let me give you a tour right now of 152 Sherwood Ave. Coming inside to 152 Sherwood, both your home offices right and left at the front of the house. The floor plan's perfect. You could set this up as formal dining. You got the living room. Primaries on the first floor. It's stunning. I can't wait for you to see it. But you got these beautiful high ceilings. It creates incredible volume in this house. Dining setup. The kitchen is stunning. Every single thing about this house has been meticulously maintained. Everything has been thoughtfully laid out and designed. Home movie theater upstairs. 4 additional bedrooms upstairs. 2 additional bathrooms upstairs. Let's check the rest of this property out. Wrapping this private property tour up out back at the pool, heated and chilled pool for any occasion. Fully fenced in, you got the turf for easy landscape, easy maintenance. The address is 152 Sherwood. You've got to see this home in person. There's so much to take in, so much to love about this house. Let us know how we can help you get into 152 Sherwood today.